Directories in Python. We can use OS module for different functions. For example, os.getCwd, get current working directory, os.chdir to change working directory, os.listdir, list files in current working directory, os.path.exists checks whether the path exists or not. Let's start with the get current working directory. At the beginning, we import OS model, then print os.getCwd. That's my current working directory. C users my name, then Python 39. To change the current directory to home directory, we use import os.path home directory equal os.path.expand user let's print home directory. That's my home directory. C users my name. To change directory, os.chdir change directory using home directory. Now again, let's get current working directory, get cwd. Now my current working directory is my home directory. To list all files in my home directory, we can use print os.listdir directory. All these files exist in my home directory. That's the end of this session. Directories and files in Python.